check in with KTK meteorologist John Adams. John, you know, it was looking good for the last 2 days. There's rain on the way, so we're going to have to put our plans for the splash pad off.
Well, yeah, you might have to dodge a thunderstorm or two. You don't want to be out there when that's happening. But, yeah, we will have a chance. But it still looks like we've got a pretty good weekend coming up. And, of course, it's a big one, Memorial Day weekend, the unofficial beginning of summer. As for what's happening now, we've got the clouds. They have, as you said, have moved in, and they've been sticking around. But other than that, it's still a pretty good day here across East Texas. Here's what it looked like as the clouds continued to roll across the state during the overnight hours. Clouds are here, but there's no rainfall with that, at least not in Texas right now. Now, as for what we expect to see, Futurecast shows that as we go through the afternoon, we'll see some of those clouds break up and we should see some sunshine. Got a nice southerly breeze there. It'll be gusting up to 20 miles per hour. And if you look off to the west there, west of Waco, we do have some showers and thunderstorms that are expected to develop out there. Now, as we go into Wednesday, this is 8 o'clock Wednesday morning, the Metroplex should be getting some pretty strong thunderstorms moving in. And as we go through the day on Wednesday, some of those will be moving up along Interstate 30 in the northern part of our area, so there could be some scattered thunderstorms there. Our temperatures will be rolling into the 80s there during the early part of the evening. Now, Thursday morning at midnight, showers and thunderstorms continue north of I-30. Most of the rest of the area will have cloudy skies and will have a southerly breeze. Most of the showers and thunderstorms that we do expect to see this week are going to stay kind of in the northern part of the area. You see that's the case there Thursday at 6 o'clock in the evening with showers and thunderstorms developing. Yeah, some of those could be severe, and as we move into Friday afternoon and Friday evening, we'll expect to see some showers and thunderstorms developing back west of Palestine. The cold front pulls into the northern part of the area, not actually into our area, but along the Red River and just north of us. That'll help to generate those showers and thunderstorms you see developing over the Metroplex. And then this is Saturday, 5 o'clock in the morning. As we get into the weekend, cloudy skies still expected in the area. Here's the severe outlook from now through 7 o'clock Wednesday morning. We'll have a slight risk of severe storms, mainly along that I-30 corridor in the north. The rest of East Texas will have just a marginal risk there, just south of I-20. And then for the rest of East Texas, not much of a risk of severe storms there. Wednesday through early Thursday now, we pick up an enhanced risk of severe thunderstorms, mainly along I-30, southward down to I-20 there just west of Tyler. And then we have a slight risk there between the Tyler, Longview area over toward Linden, westward toward Athens, and a marginal risk down into deep East Texas, down to about the Lufkin area. Thursday through 7 o'clock Friday morning, slight risk slides south of I-20. The marginal risk does go down to deep East Texas there, south of the Lufkin area. Here's what our temperatures look like right now. We are in the 80s. We'll be headed to the upper 80s to lower 90s as we go on through the afternoon. As we check your forecast here for the next 7 days, then we've got those showers and thunderstorms possible into the early part of Friday. Weekend still looks good, mostly sunny skies. We'll see our temperatures into the 92 to 93 degree range in the afternoons. And for deep East Texas, not as much of a chance for rain for you nor the severe weather. It does look like you'll have a pretty good Memorial Day weekend, maybe a little hotter as the temperatures get up to 95, 96 degrees. And with this humidity, it's going to feel like it's maybe 100 to 102 degrees out there. So make sure that you hydrate over the weekend and check that forecast at KETK.com.
John, thank you. If you love to write poetry, the Jacksonville